This episode explains how earthquakes originate at plate boundaries, generate ground shaking, and produce immediate and lingering hazards. A real-world example like the 2011 Tohoku Quake shows tsunamis, reactor risks, and long-term infrastructure recovery challenges. The segment then covers fires sparked by ruptured gas lines and electrical failures, as witnesses recount in 1906, San Francisco and modern cities. Moving to floods, the discussion analyzes rainfall surges, river breaches, and urban drainage failures that devastate neighborhoods and ecosystems. The episode concludes with lessons on resilience, early warning systems, land use planning, and community preparedness backed by current data.